With great power comes great responsibility. It is a tool that can reshape our understanding of the world, but we must wield it with care. AI can uncover lost history, but it can also misinterpret the past. It sees patterns where there may be none, and without guidance, it can distort the truth. Algorithms don't understand belief, culture, or meaning, only data. They process information without context, reducing human experience to mere numbers. That's why human historians still matter. We provide the context that machines cannot, interpreting the soul behind the statistics. The future lies in collaboration between human wisdom and machine intelligence, merging the intuition of the past with the processing power of the future. To create a complete picture of who we were, AI will soon power virtual museums, real-time reconstructions, and immersive history, allowing us to step back in time and experience history firsthand. Entire civilizations could be explored digitally without disturbing a single stone, preserving the physical reality while exploring the digital twin, learning without destruction. The question is no longer what we can discover. Our capacity for knowledge is nearly infinite, but wisdom is a choice. But how responsibly we choose to reveal the past. For history belongs to us all.